back to the channel. Welcome back to the garage. I know I've been MIA for a while. Got a lot of things going on. Thank you so much for the support, the prayers. All the guys that reach out to me, I appreciate you guys. This is the video for the exterior part of the mods that I did on the show, the Nomad edition. I'm going to do another video for the interior because it's a bunch of little subtle changes that I'm going to explain. But yeah, guys, I hope you like it. But yeah, let's go. So we'll start with the front. I mean, it looks really good in my opinion. So I'll start with the grill. Okay, so the grill was custom made. I have the video on how I got the grill done, so don't forget to check out that video. It's in the FOREVERT show playlist. How to get the middle piece there and replace the grill on the back. Also, it has the LED emblem, so at night you can definitely see Ford out of there, but during the day it just matches that little paint scheme that I had going on there. That was custom made as well, and kind of fades in and out on the side, which matches the headlight as well. So I have my Nomad badge there, and the links are going to be in the description for sure. I also went ahead and I redid that front grille to match that same scheme, and I did the edges in the same gold, and it kind of ties everything up pretty well, in my opinion. The headlights, like I said, they're custom made. You can't really see during the day. You have the blinker up top. The time, I would say daytime running light on there. So when it's not blinking, it's all lit up, and when it blinks, it's just the top that blinks. The lights, like I said, they're custom made. I made them, among other things, so it's something that I do for myself, or I do for the people as well. It definitely helps it stand down. So you can see my pattern was to make sure that the single gold looking pattern here kind of continues to the headlight, which is the fade in, and then you have the design, and then you have the fade out. So it looks really good. I don't know if you can see, there's a halo ring in there, and it does have a demon eye. I also upgraded the LED projectors, and I'm gonna attach a video on that as well, but I already have a video on how I got it installed, what I got in there, so don't forget to check that video out as well. On the bottom, I did the same pattern. You have that pattern there, and then it kind of fades out solid gold. Those are the regular OEM lights. There's some other ones out there, but again, the goal on the build is to try to customize as much things as I can without necessarily buying them. So that's why I wanted to stand out. On the side, you see the tires, they're perfectly lined up with the fender. It's because I have spacers in there. I have a description and a video coming up on how I got those on there, because it's a little different and what size they are. I have heavy duty brakes on the front from a police interceptor. I have heavy duty suspension as well, which technically don't come with the show any year. So that was another swap. I did the wheels as well. Those are the OEM wheels that I just redid with the same pattern. Changed the center cap, changed the lug nuts there, and those are Arturo AZ 800 255 45 R20s, 105V for the load, and it's sitting pretty well. It drives really good. Moving to the fenders, I removed my OEM show fenders, and I took those out of an interceptor and I modified them. They come out in 3 pieces. I was able to get my logo there, got the same pattern, clear coat, just looking great. Did the same thing on the mirrors, same pattern here on the top cover on the mirror. Got a video coming up on that as well if you're interested. I also went ahead, and it's kind of fading out already, but when I blacked this out, the door handles, I also did that same gold pattern on the inside. It wasn't done perfectly, so it's gonna have to be redone, but it came out really good. So I mean, I know exactly how it's gonna look when I get it done completely. Like you can see the back is completely done. But that one was kind of like the last one, and you can also see I had some issues there with the key. Blacked out chrome trim through and through on the side, custom badge there instead of the show. Heavy duty suspension on the back as well, hence the elevation here, which is all on purpose. because I have side pipes. Pipes, they're 70 inches. I refinished them black. I wrapped them up as well with the same gold wrap, which kind of matches the whole theme of the car. In the back, I have my wing. You can see the wing has the same pattern on the top and solid gold on the bottom. Looks really good in person. On the back, I kind of customized the tail lights. Those are the factory tail lights. I just went ahead and I got my pattern there that I wanted to have, and I added the extra here on the back, so they're still fully functional. Upgraded the bulb there to LED, upgraded the bulb inside to LED, because the 1012 shows don't come with the factory LED. So I also added a bulb in there that does daytime running and braking as well. So the light pretty much goes all the way here to there, so it gives me that perfect L. I went ahead and I refinished that in black. LED emblem as well. You can check that video for that. Got my Nomad sign back there. It is a special edition. It's all custom work. Here as well, I was able to get those to light up, because technically they don't initially. I don't know if you saw it, but they do light up. So it does work well with everything. They just light up. So during the day you still have the reflector that kind of shows, and at night you have the reflector and you have the light inside of it, so it kind of like does double the work. I was able to also upgrade the lights there to LED lights, and I added the backup camera to help with the backup assist. The car came with sensors, so on this one, I think that is pretty much it. Oh, before I forgot, did the roof in black. Got a video on how I did that as well. It's holding pretty well. I mean, the car is a little dirty, as you can see. I haven't driven it in a long time because I got something else going on with it, or going into it, but it held up pretty good.
Here we go, making really on, getting icy zone, flexing, I've been swerving, make it trendy, we look sexy. Here we go, making really on, getting icy zone, flexing, I've been swerving, make it trendy, we look sexy. It's so icy, 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 엄마네 combination, 새로운 가간지 머리 swag, 남들이 잘 때도 쓸어담지, breaking good, life is good, 한동안 잊었어 이 느낌을, for better life, for better love, 이제는 나도 두 배 벌어. I don't give a fuck, who should give a fuck, 요즘 애들이 병신놀이 하는 거, no one give a fuck, take care of a house, 쓸어담아다 나이 먹었어, 후회하지 않아 나요. Let's be straight.
Alright, so that was the video for the exterior. I hope you liked it. If you have any questions and stuff like that, don't forget to put in the comments, shoot me an email. No matter where you're at, I'll get back to you. Haven't been very prompt at doing that lately, but I promise you I'll get back on it. So thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next one for the interior. Thanks. Cheers.